In this video, I'll show you how to change your mouse color and size, and it's pretty simple. All you have to do is type on your keyboard the Windows button I, and then it's going to open up the mouse, or just the general settings. So all you have to do is search mouse pointer. Hit enter, and then you'll see the option here, which is change mouse pointer color. Go ahead and select that. And you'll have the option to change your pointer size, so you can make it super big if you really wanted to, and you can make it super small. It just depends what you prefer. And then you'll have it on your default, which is the white pointer color. You can change it to black. You can change it to sort of a negative see-through color. But if you want to actually choose a specific color, you can choose this option right here, and then swift through all the colors that you have. And likewise, you can pick a custom color. You can pick the opacity, I believe. So yeah, you can go ahead, hit done, and it's going to change my mouse color. So you can go ahead and have fun with it. And it's that simple. And if you found that helpful, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.